Akala mo kailangan ng IT degree para makapagsimula sa tech business? Hindi. HubSpot is made for beginners. So what makes HubSpot beginner-friendly? Unang-una, meron ito ng drag and drop interface. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo kailangan mag-code. Yung mga modules, idrag mo lang, and then you can create websites, you can create workflows, and a lot of different aspects ng business na pwede mong automate sa negosyo mo. Sobrang kompleto rin yung mga tutorials ni HubSpot sa may tinatawag na HubSpot University, tsaka yung knowledge base nila. Anything you need, embedded yung mga forums, and you can, use these guides, these videos that I make para mag-guide kayo how to use this. And of course, merong free instance yung HubSpot. So you can get started and aralin mo siya even if you're a beginner. Bakit napakagandang career skill ngayon ng HubSpot? Literally, thousands of companies around the world na gumagamit nito, and they're looking for someone who knows how to use it and execute things for them. So, kung ikaw ay VA, kung ikaw ay work from home, take advantage of this growing economy and pwedeng ikaw yung makakuha ng mas okay na bayad, mas high-paying job dahil you have the skill. So, pwedeng you do it as a freelancer or you can do it as an agency. Kung ikaw ay makapagtayo ng small business, if you learn this or we can collaborate with us, you can teach it to your people and you can scale this. You can hire more people para pwede mong ma-scale yung iyong HubSpot agency business. So, paano mag-start? Punta ka lang sa www.hubspot.com. Click mo yung Get Started for Free. Take mo yung mga free certification sa HubSpot Academy. Sobrang dami doon. Whatever you're interested in, sales, marketing, building websites, building workflows and automations. And obviously, AI is also a big thing sa university as well. Join local workshops. We'll definitely post yung mga workshops na ginagawa namin para you too can, if you're that style of learner, do it na face-to-face or one-to-one. You can also arrange something like that. If you want to get started with your own HubSpot business or ERP or CRM business, generally in tech software, then this is a channel for you. So make sure to give me a follow. My name is Lester. Hope that helps. See you in the next one. Bye.